Today I'm demonstrating Packet's All Clear laundry detergent. This is a Green Seal certified, hyper-concentrated laundry detergent pod that is packed with optical brighteners, performance boosters, stain removers and water softeners, providing a brilliant wash with just one pod. All Clear contains no phosphates, no dyes, no fragrances and no bleaching agents. It is compatible with all front and top loading machines as well as high efficiency machines. Packet All Clear laundry detergent is the ideal laundry pod for those with skin allergies and sensitivities to dyes and fragrances. Simply take one All Clear laundry pod and toss it into a regular load of laundry. There is no need to cut, tear or open the packet. All Clear is formulated to work in all water temperatures and doesn't require any additional pre-treatment agents such as stain removers, softeners or boosters. Packet All Clear laundry detergent comes in 100 count tubs which yield 100 regular laundry loads. For heavier soils and larger loads, simply use 2 pods.